If you're looking for a great set of crochet hooks on Amazon, here is the one I love. This Tulip Etimo Rose by Tulip case is very pretty and textured. Combined with this little tassel and a crystal, there is a pair of scissors, very sharp. There are 2 tapestry needles, and then there are 10 crochet hooks starting from 2 millimeters, 2.2 millimeters, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and 6 millimeters crochet hooks. They have very nice elastomeric cushion grip, which makes it very easy to hold, and they do not slide. The size is printed here, and I've been using those hooks for about 6 months now, and there is no signs of wear and tear or the sizing coming off from the handle. The hook by itself is very, very smooth. It has a very smooth finish, which makes it so easy to crochet with it. I'm very happy, and I highly recommend Etimo Rose Cushion Grip Crochet Hook Set.